Hey everybody, welcome to another Stamp Anything video. It is the Starburst Stencil and Music Card Mat Die video for you today. It's a combo video, and here's some examples of what they look like. So I decided to just tape this stencil down really well to my paper. I'm just using the hammer mill cardstock, and then I'm just using regular hybrid ink to ink this down. And I chose three pinks and a purple color. So I just blended this all up, and you know what? If you're listening to the music right now, it's because I thought it was the perfect music for this video. With very 80s vibes, very Jem, very glam. So once we've got that all stenciled up in the way we want, I'm just gonna peel it back and the reveal. Then we're just gonna get up our die, which is that Music Star Mat die, and it's so cute. So I just picked up two different papers that I thought would go well with the card that I'm going for. And here you can see it's all cut out now in one of the pinks, and then the stars are kind of like in a pinky purple color. I thought would work really well. So super easy to use for these, but I thought it would be cute to incorporate them together. So I'm taking that stencil now, and that's where I'm putting my MUSIC, my music die, right on those papers. And I do end up taping it together just to make sure it holds down in the position that I want to. And then I'm just going to run it through my die cut machine, and you can see that here. And then here I've got all my letters out, and then we're just going to paste them right onto that background. Now you want to be careful here because you want them to line up. If you can see, I did misalign mine a little bit, but I kind of hit it with the stars, and then I ended up using my gem that I Copic colored from the other video that is out right now, and used her, and I popped her up on this card, and I just thought it was super cute. And again, here I go. Sorry, I hit the camera. I was a dork and I bumped it, and it makes the shaking really bad. So I do apologize for that there. But here you go. You can see it's all glued down here. Now it's time to add the stars. You can add them wherever you want. Use one, use two, use whatever paper you want. And here we go. And this is where I'm like, all right, let's pop dot her on. And I use a lot of pop dots. It's just my thing. I like a lot of pop dots. So just going to fiddle with getting the back off, and we're going to pop her on the card, and then here she is. Perfect. Here's our stencil and our builder die video. Thanks very much. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.